So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find free public APIs for projects and experiments that are free to use to embed on your programs, on your projects. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for public with a space with the dash icon and write apis.io. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to over there if I spelled it wrong, and here you can see multiple APIs are available for you, the featured APIs, and there are categories are also available that you can use. For example, if I want a API for animal or for analytics or for anything else like the healthcare, the IoT, the jobs, the machine learning, the marketing, any of them, I can just simply select and check multiple APIs, and the site works depending upon your network speed. There may be some network issue, that's why it's not loading currently. But there are multiple APIs available for you, the public APIs that power up your application. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.